I have been documenting my affiliate marketing journey since 2023 on this channel, specifically on a specific strategy. So I'm going to hop onto my computer and share with you guys, but this is a monthly result video for you. Let's go ahead and cover all the details, and then you can make an informed decision if you want to join me, if you want me to help you guys out with affiliate marketing or not, or whatever direction you want to go. I hope this channel and these videos are helpful and bring you awareness. Let's hop onto my computer. All right, folks, this is my channel. Welcome back. If you're coming here to see these monthly results, I'm excited to share with you today what has happened in the last month. So basically a little short little backstory for those of you who don't know me. I have been following this strategy since 2023 specifically, and I got started with it after over 10 years of doing affiliate marketing on and off. I've had my successes, I've had my failures, but I decided to still do it as a side hustle. I have a full-time job. I have things that I'm doing on the side any which ways, which, pay the bills and stuff like that. But affiliate marketing is a great side hustle to have. And I wanted to do it in such a structured way for myself, not spend too much time and leverage certain tools, then certain things that I've learned over the years, which is basically skills. You need two skill sets, in my opinion, that are fundamental for your affiliate marketing. One is advertising, and the second one is copywriting. Okay, these are the two skills. With advertising, you need to know where to advertise, how to advertise. With copy, you're basically focused on conversions. If you know these two skill sets, which you can learn in so many different ways on the internet, advertising sources are plentiful. Even copywriting is needed, as it can be a service-based business that you can have for yourself, or it can affect your marketing and get you better results and better conversions in the long term. So whether you do it as a service for other people or whether you do it for yourself, it is still a skill that is needed. Okay, so I want you guys to enter into my logic of what I'm thinking and why I started to do it. Yes, this is going to take work. I'm going to say this upfront. Yes, it's going to take work. Yes, it's going to take time. There's no secret sauce to making money with affiliate marketing, guys. You need to put in the work and you need to learn the skills. Accept this. The faster you accept this over time, the faster you take action over it, the better it is it's going to be for you. Okay, I just want to say it very clearly. Stop jumping from opportunity to opportunity, because that's just going to be more detrimental to you. I have done this myself, and that's why I'm speaking from experience. This is not an opportunity. This is a strategy. Whether you take this strategy that I'm using and you apply it to whatever you want, it is possible. So let me explain to you the strategy. Usually when marketing in general, we use step number 2, which takes advertising to a whole sales process, and then at the same time you're building your email list, and your copy from your email list that you're using your email marketing basically is taking them through a conversion. That's the front end, and usually on the back end you have a whole stacking ecosystem of products, tools, etc. that you're affiliated with and you're using, that you share with your audience. And if they do decide to join you in this journey, basically you're getting commission from it, and that is how it goes. This is the normal structure that usually people talk about. However, what I wanted to do is, in order for me to have that advertising, I knew that I would spend a lot of time with social media on actually building, creating content, being a content creator to build that traffic and start to drive it for free. Or I could leverage paid advertising, which is a skill in itself, guys, because paid advertising, if you think about it, is a way to generate traffic instantly, but there are people who are completely cold that don't know you. When you're doing free marketing, you have a certain time period before you get that lead, that they are getting to know you, that they're consuming your content. This cold traffic, it's not the case. Therefore, when they join your email list to the time they make the sale, there's a longer time frame or longer span before they actually make that. You would want more impulse sales from cold traffic than longevity sales, just because it makes sense to have impulse sales from them, so that you're getting back your traffic cost, let's say, that you're spending. Now, it's not always going to be the same. It's a whole different logic, but I wanted to go through and do it with paid advertising. So I created step 1. Step 1 is basically a funded proposal for myself. I'm using a catalyst called My Lead Gen Secret, which is a source, an advertising source that I use that generates me 100 to 200 leads every day. That's the product, gives me 100 to 200 leads every day. Now I need to convert those leads into sales. So my aim is to make sure that I'm writing good emails and getting those conversions into a sale. So I use My Lead Gen Secret as an email list in itself, and I just send an email once every 24 hours. It costs $60 the first month and then $30 every single month to maintain. So basically spending only $60 the first month, and then after that is 30. So with spending $30, so this whole strategy does have a cost. I spent $30. My aim is obviously to make at least $30 back, which is very doable. Okay, which is very doable even with one sale of a product. So $30 is not a big thing to get back. It's not hard on my pocket. And that's why I decided to get started with My Legion Secret. I just have one account. I do not have more than one account at the moment, but I am planning to get more accounts. Once I have generated a flow, I send out an email every single day to offer on either Warrior Plus or ClickBank or any affiliate network. And then I use that income that I earn. So I'm sending it to a sales page directly. Okay? And then I earn some commission on that. Take that commission and then I apply it to step 2, where I go and I have specific advertising sources that I buy traffic or I buy advertising that goes to a landing page that then does my whole entire sales process, right? The best over here would be to have a lead magnet, to have something of value that people are getting either for free or paid. You can have $1, $2, $5 offer maybe on the front end, and this starts to also help you with your cash flow. But the initial paid advertising budget comes from this section right here. Okay, so I want you guys to clearly understand that. I'm going to show you my journey altogether, and this is what I follow with the strategy. Now that we're done with the strategy, let's go into the results, and then I will share with you also what's happened with the last year so that you guys can see the progression. So let's just get my pure results. First place that I use is Warrior Plus. This is the month of, let me just go my last month. So we are looking at the whole month of August right here. And as you can see, the total amount I've earned for the month of August is $340.16. Now, this is a lower month for me, I will admit. Usually it is a 500 and above, or 400, at least 400 and above. However, this month I barely touched 350. So this month was a low month for conversions for me, which means when you have a bad, not bad, badder, I don't think that I should say that, a bad month, that's when you should be looking at what is converting, what's happening, right? So I'm going to share with you in a second what's happening so that we understand it. But Warrior Plus in this last year, let me just go and share with you the sales report. And let's look at January 2023 till September, well, till August. No, we'll look at September 2024, right? So this is I started this strategy in May, or I think, yeah, in March 2023. So we can see from the first month in March, I earned 98, then 200, then 300, then 307, and then went down in July. So you can see the summer months. This is 2023, okay? Summer months, it went down from June, July, August, it went down, and then September it picked back up to 430, and then October it went back down, and then these are the rest of the months, and then the last 3 months of the year also it went down, and then beginning of the year it picked back up to over $500. Okay, and then I pretty much stayed the same. So I had a new high, let me put it that way, I had a new high of not going below 400 at all this year, as you can see. And then this month it's gone below. But if you see the last couple of months, I already had the trajectory that it was going a bit low. So based on the gross earnings, based on the net profit and everything else, you can see that from May, June went already below, which is taking the similar trend over here, right? It went about $70 less. The same happened right here. It went about $20 less. Then it went a little bit lower in July. So I could have expected it to go a little lower in August, but it didn't go. It went lower than I expected. So that means there are two factors here. One is I definitely need to check my own emails and stuff like that. What am I doing? Should I change strategy and not focus on the multiple offers that I'm changing? Because what I'm doing right now is every single week, actually, I'm sharing a new one of the offers. I rotate between the main offers that I have and I own, because I only share products or services that I personally own. So I rotate between them, right? So one week I do one thing, second week I do the second one, and so on and so forth. So maybe I don't need to do that and just stick for the entire month, a 1 month promotion, right? So this month is going to be this offer, next month is going to be another offer, and so on and so forth. Maybe that could be the effect. And at the same time, I need to make sure that in September, if I do the same things in September, I should pick up significantly more in the next month. So I'm hoping that I go to at least 600 in the month of September, if everything works well. But on average, as you can see in this whole year, guys, it's been 450 to $500 on average every single month that I've been earning. Okay, even after, see, this month, for example, in March, was this month is even after, you know, refunds. I had about 600 actually dollars income in gross earnings, but then I had some refunds, so my net profit was just 463. So even after that, I'm, you know, having a good stable income, let's say, coming in from this strategy itself. And this is just step one. Also, I want to mention this last month of August, I've only earned on Warrior Plus, I've only earned from step one. So you see how important this step one of a funded proposal is for me, because now I'm using that to purchase advertising. All right, that is Warrior Plus. Let me just quickly go and show you ClickBank. Okay, guys, so here I am on ClickBank. I made basically recurring sales. It's not something that I'm focused on. So this is, you know, if I make money here, it's great. If I don't, it's fine. I made $29.29. So we can add that there. I'm just going to show you, I've already done it here so you can see. So these are the two things that we've looked at. Then My Legion Secrets itself. Let's look at My Legion Secret. Here you can see that I have a downline of 11 members, but we can just quickly go and see all of these commissions. I will quickly share with you. It's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 34, 39, 40, 44, 49, and then this is 52. Okay, so the total amount that I've earned in Warrior Plus itself is $52, as you can see right here. Then to connect this whole step, this whole process from the emails, this is from my emails, I got a commission basically in one of the smaller products, because in my whole email series, what I do in the last couple of months, I've changed my whole entire email series, so people are still going through it, because I have a 60-day email series that people go through, and they're still going through the new series. So I'm seeing how well it's converting. In the last couple of months, it hasn't converted that well, but that's absolutely fine, because it's a new series and it needs time before it shows me the results. But any which ways, I, on the back end in that email series, I have different products or services that I use. And one of the resources that I do share is a course in System.io itself. I use System.io as an affiliate program, as my main tool that I use. It's an absolutely free tool. I pay for it personally, so that is my expense. Actually, I haven't included that there, so we'll also include my expense of $27 from System.io. That's my monthly expenditure. So I earned $4 from there, from System.io, and $4.20 actually. So we put $4.20 so that it's very precise. And then I earn that. So that's my earnings. Okay, so that's with System.io. If you're interested, by the way, in this tool or learning about this tool or getting my support, everything is in the description. All resources are there, guys. Feel free to click around, ask me, comment, let me know below, because I'm here to help. But yeah, so this is this is everything that we have in terms of commissions. No other places. What are my expenditures? So I have $45 worth of expenditures on advertising and $27 worth in tools. Okay, so my advertising is basically My Legion Secret, which cost me $30, and then I have these two traffic sources. Let me show you guys. Let me just go to, yeah, let me just do this. If we go to System.io, I'll just go to funnels and quickly show you the traffic sources that I have here, because it's named differently. So let me just show you. I have these two plug and play traffic sources, and literally this is plug and play in what sense that I use it. One is Click Engine, the other one is Traffic Booster, and so one costs $5 and the other costs $10. Okay, and that's a monthly recurring payment that I have going on. So totally it costs me $50 to $45 for traffic. Okay, that's the advertising that I have. And this is literally just to get started. Okay, I can eliminate that cost specifically, at least $15 I can eliminate pretty quickly if I need to, but I'm not. And then I have $27 that I spend every single month on my tool, which is System.io. Again, if you want to get System.io, links are in the description, but just to show you what it is, if I go to the main page right here, and I can see that my video is stuck, but guys, we'll continue to go on and make this video, because it's a monthly one which I want to get through. So if I go to pricing, you can see that the free plan is available. So in case you want the free plan, the link is in the description, but also in case you want the monthly plan, the link will be in the description of this video, specifically because it cost me $27 a month. I have multiple automations and tags and everything in place. If you do get the monthly one, I suggest to get the annual plan. It's just my suggestion for you. You save 30% more. And if you do get the annual plan, reach out to me because I am 100% going to be helping everybody on the annual plans with me because I want to get you into this profit mode as well. Now, so I spent $27 a month. Okay, so that is the total expenditure. Those are the total costs and everything else. Let's close these pages so that they don't bother me. And we will now see how much I've earned for the month of for this next month. Okay, so for the month of August, my total earnings has been $353. Guys, this is the first month that I have had lower than $500 a month in commissions. That's a big eye opener for me, right? Because I'm not afraid that it is so low. But I'm not shocked that it is so low. But it is also a month that you need to, when you have these kind of numbers, it's good to go back and see what you're doing and improve and eliminate the things that you don't need to do. So that's my focus for the next month of September. I will give you guys an update when in October for how things are going, but I'm excited to see what the future holds. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, the transparency, none of these results that you see in these videos are 100% guaranteed. These are my results alone. I'm just being transparent in documenting my entire journey. You need to put in the work, you need to put in the effort. If you have any questions, as I said, let me know below. But on Monday, we get back to the routine where I'm going to show you strategies, everything that works, the conversions, how to do things with my Legion secrets, with the tools that I use, and as well with different strategies. So make sure you hit subscribe and then keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, guys. I'm going to see you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one and you got value from it as well.